Hey everyone, welcome back to my workshop. Today we're talking about 5 most common beginner's mistakes and how to avoid it. Number 1. Wrong epoxy type. Not all epoxies are the same. Dipole resin, casting resin and a small encapsulation resin. They all cures differently. Always choose the right epoxy for your project. Dipole epoxy for the thick boards, the tables and any pour thicker than 20 ml. Small encapsulations for coasters, jewellery and very small items. Coating resin or tabletop epoxy for flat coating the surfaces. Number 2. Wrong mixing ratio. This one ruins more projects than anything else. Always read the label to choose the correct ratio for your specific resin brand. For example, the Craft Resin have a mixing ratio of 2:1 for the deep pour applications, 1:1 for arts and crafts applications, and also 1:1 for the tabletop epoxy. Don't eyeball it. Measure it carefully, either by volume or weight, and follow the instructions exactly. Number 3. Poor mixing. If your resin doesn't cure properly, it might be just undermix. Mix it slowly but thoroughly for 3 to 5 minutes, scraping the sides and the bottom of your cup. You should see the mix go from cloudy to clear. Number 4. Incorrect room temperature. Temperature matters. Resin like 22 to 25 degrees stable room temperature to cure correctly. Too cold and it won't cure right. If it's too hot, that could flash cure or bubble. Always check your room temperature before pouring. Number 5. Leaky molds. To avoid that, use seal-free silicone molds. However, for the larger projects, you may have to construct your mold yourself. To avoid any leaks, make sure you're applying a line of silicone to every single joint of your mold, inside and outside. So here you are, 5 beginner's mistakes and how to avoid it. If you found this video helpful, hit like and follow for more resin tips and share with a friend who just starting out. I am Alex, happy crafting!